Did you know that roughly 35% of car owners in the US have been scammed by a mechanic? And on average, those scams cost nearly $975 per visit? That's right. From unnecessary repairs to sneaky upsells, dishonest shops have turned car maintenance into a gold mine, and unsuspecting drivers are footing the bill. What's worse is that many of these scams are so subtle, you don't even realize you've been ripped off until it's too late. In this video, I'm going to expose the 11 most common mechanic scams, show you how they work, and most importantly, teach you how to avoid them so you never waste your hard-earned money again. Let's dive in. Scam number 11. The unnecessary oil change. One of the most common scams that almost every driver has faced, at least once, is the unnecessary oil change. Some quick lube shops and dishonest mechanics still push the old idea that you must change your oil every 3,000 miles, no matter what car you drive. This was true decades ago, when oil technology wasn't advanced, but today, most modern engines using synthetic oil can safely go 7,000, 10,000, or even up to 15,000 miles between changes. They'll even use scare tactics, warning that going beyond 3,000 miles will ruin your engine, which simply isn't true if you're using the oil recommended by your manufacturer. The best way to protect yourself is to ignore the sticker they slap on your windshield and instead follow the oil change interval listed in your owner's manual. Scam number 10. The phantom repair scam. This one is simple but dangerous. You get charged for a repair that never actually happened. A mechanic might say they replaced your air filter, fuel pump, or brake pads, but in reality, they either left the old part in or just did a quick wipe down. Customers rarely ask to see the old part, so dishonest shops take advantage of that trust. Some even provide fake invoices listing high-end parts, when in fact, they used nothing at all. The worst part is, you won't notice until the problem comes back, and by then, they'll convince you it's something new. This scam works well for them because most car owners don't know what their parts should look like after replacement. The best defense is to always ask for the old part back. If the shop refuses, it's a big red flag. Scam number 9. Unnecessary fluid flushes. One of the easiest scams to fall for is the infamous flush. Shops love selling transmission flushes, radiator flushes, brake flushes, and power steering flushes long before your car actually needs them. They'll even show you a sample of dirty fluid in a little tube and act shocked, as if your car is about to die. But here's the truth. Fluids always get dirty over time, and that doesn't mean they're unsafe. Most cars don't need a transmission flush until 60,000 miles or more, yet some shops push it every 15,000. That unnecessary $200 service is pure profit for them. Instead of panicking, check your owner's manual. If your manufacturer doesn't say you need it yet, then you don't. Scam Sure 8. The while we're at it, add-ons. You came in for a simple oil change, but before you know it, you're staring at a long list of urgent repairs. Suddenly, it's not just an oil change, it's a cabin filter, an engine air filter, new wipers, a serpentine belt, maybe even a weak battery they claim is on its last breath. That $40 service has magically ballooned into a $400 bill. Shops love it because these little add-ons are quick for them and insanely profitable. A $15 air filter that takes 2 minutes to swap is sold to you for $60. Since your car is already on the lift, why not just get it done? But here's the truth. You don't have to say yes. Most of these parts are simple to check and replace yourself. Politely decline, go home, and check those parts yourself. Scam number 7. Fake check engine light fixes. When that dreaded orange light pops up on your dash, many people go straight to the mechanic in a panic. Some dishonest shops will fix it by just clearing the code. The light disappears temporarily, you pay the bill, and drive away thinking everything's fine, until it comes back a few days later. That's when they hit you for a second repair. The only way to avoid this scam is to always ask for the actual diagnostic trouble codes. Buy your own cheap OBD2 scanner so you can read the codes yourself. That way, you'll know if the mechanic really fixed the problem or just turned the light off. Scam number 6. Diagnostic fee trap. Diagnostics are important, but dishonest shops turn them into a profit machine. A mechanic might spend just 5 minutes plugging in a scan tool, then charge you an hour or more of labor. The scam gets worse when they use the diagnostic fee just to lure you in, then pile on extra, unnecessary repairs. Many customers don't question it because they assume diagnostics are complicated. While some problems do require advanced troubleshooting, but not every warning light should cost you a fortune to diagnose. Always ask up front how much the diagnostic fee will be and whether it's applied toward the repair cost if you go through with it. Scam number 5. Scare tactics with safety. Mechanics know that fear sells. They'll warn you that your brakes are dangerously worn, your tires are about to blow, or your suspension could collapse at any moment. They'll even phrase it so you feel guilty driving away without fixing it, like, "I wouldn't let my own family drive this car in that condition." But here's the secret. Many of these issues are exaggerated, or they aren't as urgent as the shop claims. Worn brake pads might have thousands of miles left. A squeaky suspension might just be a dry bushing. The only way to fight this scam is knowledge. Learn the real warning signs of dangerous wear, and don't hesitate to get a second opinion. Scam number 4. Free inspection. Upsell. Lots of shops advertise free brake inspections or free checkups. Sounds like a deal, right? Wrong. These free services are nothing more than fishing trips to find ways to sell you more repairs. Once they've got your car on the lift, they will almost always find something wrong. They will use words like urgent or unsafe to scare you into paying hundreds of dollars on the spot. What started as free ends up being one of the most expensive visits you'll ever make. The truth is, nothing is truly free in the repair world. It's a sales tactic. Treat free inspections as red flags unless you absolutely trust the shop. Scam number 3. Tire replacement. Push tires are one of the most profitable items in a repair shop, which is why mechanics often push you to replace them earlier than necessary. They will point to normal wear and make it sound dangerous, or claim the tread depth is below safety limits when it isn't. Some even use tools improperly to exaggerate the numbers. The scam works because most drivers don't know how to measure tire tread or recognize what's considered unsafe. You end up spending hundreds on new tires when your current ones may still have thousands of safe miles left. To avoid falling for this, learn how to check tread depth yourself using a simple penny test or a tread gauge. Scam number 2. Seasonal scam packages. Ever noticed how shops love winter checkups or summer readiness packages? These are often bundles of small, unnecessary services dressed up as seasonal must-haves. Things like topping off fluids, checking wipers, and testing the battery get sold as a $200 package when most of it could be done for free at home. The truth is, cars don't suddenly need special attention just because the season changes. A little DIY maintenance can handle most of it, saving you from buying into overpriced seasonal hype. Scam number 1. Cheap part markup trick. Here's a sneaky way mechanics increase their profits. They buy the cheapest aftermarket part they can find, but bill you as if they installed the more expensive OEM version. Let's say your car needs new brake pads. They might charge you the price of top-tier pads, then slip in the cheapest ones that wear out in half the time. This makes you return sooner for another repair, which is exactly what they want. The real danger is that low-quality parts don't just wear out faster. They can compromise your car's safety, especially when it comes to brakes, suspension, or tires. The truth is, unless you specifically ask for OEM parts and verify, you may never know what you actually got. That's all for this video. However, keep in mind, not every mechanic is a scammer. There are plenty of honest professionals who work hard to keep people safe on the road. But the reality is, some shops are built on upselling and trickery, and they count on customers being too busy or uninformed to notice. The more you learn about your own car, the harder it becomes for anyone to scam you. So next time you step into a repair shop, remember these tricks, stay calm, and don't be afraid to ask questions.